High winds across LA and Orange County. Multiple warnings and advisories were in place this morning, and some are lingering into our afternoon. KCAL meteorologist Mary Yoon here now with our next weather first forecast. Hi there, Mary.
Hey, good afternoon, Amy. We certainly have been hearing those howling winds, and take a look at some peak wind gusts already reported. Magic Mountain Trail peak right around 4,800 feet reported a wind gust at 95 miles per hour. Over towards Mount Wilson, 71 miles per hour, 60 towards Point Dume, San Fernando, looking at winds in 60s range as well. So it is, these winds certainly have been packing quite a punch, and now we are still looking at a few more hours before the winds will start to subside. So unfortunately, areas in our mustard are still under that high wind warning. So that does include the mountains, San Bernardino stretching towards Menifee, back towards Corona and Anaheim as well. But outside, despite the winds, if you just look at the sky cover, it is a beautiful day. Temperatures feeling like in the 60s, still looking at those northeasterly winds as we head further over to Riverside, where it is very gusty there and cold, might I add. You have the winds, you have the surface temperature, so the real field temperature feels much colder than what it actually is reading on the thermometer. Coming up in my next weather forecast, I will break down what the next few days look like here in Southern California in just a bit. Amy, back to you.
All right, Mary, thanks so much. President Biden is stepping into the